What if I told you that machines designed to work alongside humans could redefine the future of manufacturing? Welcome to the exciting world of collaborative robots, or cobots, where innovation meets interaction. In this video, we will explore how these robots work hand in hand with humans, enhancing productivity and safety in manufacturing environments. Are you ready to discover how cobots are changing the game? So, what makes collaborative robots different from traditional industrial robots? Unlike their predecessors, cobots are designed to work safely beside humans without the need for safety cages. This unique design allows for greater flexibility in manufacturing processes. But how do they ensure safety around human workers? Let's dig deeper into their operational features. Collaborative robots can sense their environment and adapt to it in real time. This is achieved through advanced sensors and software, which allows them to stop immediately if a human comes too close. Isn't that fascinating? These innovations lead us to an essential topic: human-robot interaction. It's not just about technology, it's about how we work together with these machines. A truly collaborative effort. Before we continue, if you're enjoying this content and want to stay updated on the latest in robotics, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us bring you more exciting insights. Now, back to our topic. Effective human-robot collaboration relies on trust and understanding. How can we build that trust in a workplace increasingly filled with robots? Safety standards play a crucial role in this equation. Organizations like ISO and ANSI have created guidelines to ensure that cobots can work alongside humans without posing risks. Let's discuss what these standards entail. These standards focus on risk assessment, performance testing, and operational safety measures, ensuring that every co-working scenario is as secure as possible. But what happens when these robots malfunction? Surprisingly, studies show that human error is often the larger risk factor in manufacturing environments. Understanding how to integrate robots more effectively can mitigate these risks. Isn't that an eye-opener? Looking towards the future, collaborative robots are set to play an even larger role in manufacturing. With advances in AI and machine learning, cobots will become smarter and more capable than ever. Imagine a factory where cobots can predict failures, optimize workflows, and adapt to changes in real time. Sounds like science fiction, right? But it's closer than you think. To wrap up, collaborative robots are not just tools, they are partners in innovation. As we embrace this technology, understanding safety and interaction will be key to maximizing their potential. If you found this video insightful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Also, stay tuned for our next video where we'll dive into the latest advancements in AI for manufacturing. You won't want to miss it.